What up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today we got the Shadow System CR920XP. Forgive my voice, I got a cold. Anyways, this gun, I'm thoroughly impressed taking it out of the box. Optics ready. The trigger is super nice for dry fire. That compensator, man, fluted barrel, window cuts, top serrations, tritium front sight, blacked out rear sights. I'm enjoying everything about it. 15+1 capacity. This gun, my gosh, it's beautiful. This is one I'd be proud to carry and wouldn't be scared to carry because Shadow Systems will replace it. What y'all think?